A 3 week now, me no go supermarket. It's a good thing to me did have a virgin and him just
Me not
bring
laugh
some.
too, but you say 3 weeks now you not go supermarket.
Yeah, for real. It's a good thing to me did have a virgin and him bring me some stuff.
So how you have to
But
pay your bills and work now?
as me say,
I blessed day viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the boss with another video. Put a like, leave a comment, and I could get straight into this. Boy guys, I have to tell you no thanks. So now press the like button and make the video reach up in the 100k and in the 70s and 50s. I appreciate that. Pressing the like button make we have a bigger audience and you can hear more excited stories and keep up to date with what go on with the deportation and everything we have to do with Jamaican and all over in the diaspora. See? So I want to tell you a big thank you and continue to press the love button, the like button, and comment. Alright, so to the story now. The guy in living in South Carolina and he might make me know say him no straight and from Trump take office him no go back a road him just stay in and just watch BA news and I keep up to date and then friend them have to buy grocery for him and right now him in a no man land him don't know what to do if him to come back or him to just fight it out. But in condition not so bad, because it look like him set himself out there in Jamaica. So comment below, only thinking for the pack up and come home, or go and run until they catch him. May I talk too much? I could drive and listen.
cry, someone run up and down and like don't know what to do and stuff like that. But as me I say, you can't do foreign. And I remember where you come from because this place, if you're not born and grow over here no belongs to you. All when you're born and grow here, they want to send you somewhere else same way. You know what I mean?
So you say you're there in the desert to hide?
I'm not really saying there so because me in the desert, I live in the desert because you know it's California desert right too. But me in a like say me them like which part me there just 2 house. Like the closest house to me is like 2, 3 to 4 mile. You know what I mean? The closest house to me, and I just 2 house the right answer, but we have with solar, we have well.
Oh, so no ice now come up there so then?
Why? Let me talk. Me, you know, me there do some farming. You know what that mean? Yeah, from me there California that me I do the good stuff. You know what I mean? Me there like me work with like you know what I mean partnership and sometimes some people hire me to grow cause to me know it from Jamaica. I me really come up here to come deal with.
Okay.
So yeah, so me there and we build up a nice house down there still. You know what I mean? Furniture it off, but we did add another room to it and a garage to it. So everything I just tile a room there and the garage left it tile. It's a man did suspect say boy if you know come from here so you can't just leave them here so you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? So me did start do me thing down there. Send me money down there, get me things done. Up here so now, so me see the situation you know, so me I say it's a good thing. So me a man did make a plan down there and nobody wait till certain things like mean say cause you know say when them a deport you, if you don't have nothing down there, you know, that team, you're mad, you know, if you never give them nothing, you know, nobody no want to see you, you know, brother. So me did make that plan there, you know, so right now, me have to watch where they go on, what the situation, where you go on. The reason why I not get myself straight, you know, because I have a son up here and they put some people's work. Me didn't marry already. Me married to a girl, a Yankee girl. And I pay money, she take from me money, I give her money because she don't want to put in, she just want to hold me off. That's me have to give her things. I don't want to put in the paperwork. So I tell her, say, you know, say, a full time for the paperwork you're going because you see every time I send money come give because she live in Philadelphia, you know, and me up here, so I have to use people, just to say I pay people information, you get everything through. So me as a man want to have a little saving and I want have a car to drive, so so me have to have some American ID and social. So me ready to put in some papers work. Anyway, I get the lawyer. Everything comes to 6,000. I pay the lawyer with 6,000 one time. So the lawyer put in the paperwork, I put in the paperwork. So she called me one morning and tell me, say, she have to stop the paperwork. So I asked her why, and said, my wife said to stop it. She said, my wife said to stop it. So I said, wow, what the problem? Like, so I have to call her. So I call her, man, I pay a dirty word. She tell me. So I say, what happened? Cause we talk so nice, you just leave from which part me there? When she leave, she get about $10,000 to go back down with. She have buy house down there and repair them, not Philly. She have buy her Benz them and them something like that. Me I make a money, me not lie you. And me I call you too want the papers work. And I say really want the papers work, cause me they run her for about 4 years before me tell her to put in the papers work. And when me say like everything me I do people I know my business. So me I say no, so me can't make people I know my business because them can use it against me. So me a man I go put in my papers work and I did so when she hear about the papers work I did so she want, you know what I mean, she want job away from me, so she want try to get what she can get from me because she hear about the papers work now. Because she just didn't have that against me, like to get things from me look like. So when she hear about the papers work she ignore me away. So she not no reason to tell the lawyer to stop the papers work. She never have no reason. So we didn't talk to our next girl. So when we find out, so she started the papers work, now me I say, wow, either going to 3 months, 4 months. Me I talk to one of my friends and me I tell her about it and she I say, then why you not divorce her? Because if she stop her papers work, it don't make no sense. She don't have no use to you there, so cause she stop the papers work, so you have to move on. So me put in the papers work, a divorce thing, and get her divorced. So married to our next girl. In the period of time when I'm married to the girl, and we go check the lawyer, my lawyer, he get some papers start pushing. So when we go to the lawyer, me and her, and when we come back home, remember, me kind of depend on the farming. She can't depend on the farming with kids and them, so she have a house where, you know what I mean? So we did leave all of my documents in her car. Same night, them brought the car and take out all of my papers, them. So when now the lawyer called me, and she said she wants something out of my passport to put on the papers work. Then my passport gets stolen. You hear me?
Me hear that the start. I show me I do something in the background. Me I want it coming at the we do. So the start, man. Listen.
My passport gets stolen. Now all my papers right now. So me I say, wow, when the lawyer called me to get certain things, me say, wow, like that is a setback. And she said she can't do nothing unless she get the passport. So I just don't know me thought put in like when me go get my passport back now. So me have to start report it, get police record, do all kind of things to get my passport, start get back passport information, how to get back a passport and them something there. 1 year and 1 month it take me to get back my passport. Cost me a lot of money. Me have to send a Jamaica this car. Me I try to get back my passport to the consulate in New York. But when them ask me for your ID, my ID did expire. So them I say to get back my passport, me have to go through Jamaica. Me tell them I don't have no brother up here or no sisters. So them say me have to have somebody who me follow. So me have to get my brother, to get him information from Jamaica, send back to me up here. Me have to
yeah, two Trump them are going now, you mean?
Yes, cause right now if left like if go put all papers right now and them see around you.
Come guys, press the like button, press the like button, we could continue with the story. Story is about to get interested now. Alright, we could continue listening. Listen to this story till the end. Because I have more than one story now. One. Like the video, relax, and we could enjoy. We could listen. People with green card.
Yeah man, call listen me. I they walk with them, or anywhere them go, them have them green card with them. Because if them group you, and you don't have your papers them on you, them will carry go lock you up same way. till them search you out. You could have in a lack of y'all 2-3 weeks before them even come to you because a lot of people them have, like, you know what I mean? So you can have your green card and get the thing same way.
Okay.
So people have to walk with that. a 3 week now, me no go supermarket. It's a good thing. So me did have a virgin and him just bring some.
You say 3 weeks now you not go supermarket.
Yeah, for real. It's a good thing. So me did have a virgin and him bring me some stuff.
So how you have to pay bills and work now?
As me say, like bills, me no really pay bills. Me go buy food because which part me there? Alright. Which part me there? Me tell we have a well and we have the solar.
Yeah, use the solar.
Yeah, man, they run the whole property. They run the whole place. So I just food and them something there. But as me say now, me get a link now if you go Thailand. And that's something I try to say me can me say boy like how if me go at the airport and now what go happen?
So money there Thailand?
Huh?
Money there Thailand?
Hey, me can like as me say, you know what me I talk about.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it needed the like more than food right now.
Wow.
So them no know
them no man's land because you're illegal, you're not straight, I would go on, you're worried if they clamp you, I send them. Say afraid to come back here, if you come back, you know, come back to our house. What your problem?
And what you talk about? Me have a upstairs house down there, a 3-bedroom house me down there, you know, mix up house. Me have a brand new, the biggest bed, me have the biggest TV, me have the biggest fridge, me have the biggest everything. Cause when me I buy them, I say me want the biggest at everything, you know what I mean? The best at everything in my place, cause you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I mean, I look at change on the same way. I mean, and right now, the thing what me I do up here, it get bigger Jamaica more up here right now.
Okay.
More money pan it there Jamaica more. Cause me a reason my virgin them down there and them I say, yo, come down, man. Cause if me come down there with the skill what me have, like, me go run the place. Me go run the place.
We're developing housing and things are going on, so it change.
Yeah, me know say it change, but this no my skill in a growing what me I talk about the marijuana thing.
Yeah.
If me come to Jamaica with that skill what me have up here, me go really make it down there because me have a way to make it be best when me down there, you know what I mean? Yeah, me have a way can me get that training there up here.
Okay.
And I see them up here them I use down there. So me already know how to make it better when we go down there. Cause I totally two different things from how we deal with it, how them deal with it down there. We deal with it different up here.
Okay.
Cause we can get 5 pounds off of one plant up here. 6 pounds off of one plant. I mean, them can't do it down there. You have to be professional to do it down there. But as me say, me have like as me say, either cause if me don't go try to go to Thailand, and if in case of like as me say, if me can't make it, if me see you, if me can't make it there, a straight home, them go send me. So me depend prepare for that. You know what I mean? Although me I say that not go happen because my God, I believe, you know, and my God, I pray to. Nobody no greater than him. None. Nobody no powerful than him in the world. God was the first, you know what I mean? And he will always be the first. So I know say that strength they did with me with my God.
You're going to hold out until you chunk hold you. If you hold it, hold it.
If you hold me at the 20, I go Thailand, you know.
Okay.
The 20 is some month when they come in February, they come in.
You go to Thailand and you can't go back to America.
No, I don't want to come back here so anytime I go back there. I want to go straight to Jamaica. Because I go have as much papers although me can turn right there And make my wife even try put some people's work through for me. And so it had go, you know what I mean?
True.
Because, let me tell you something, it's soon boil long, you know. Him just a do it showing people them who vote for him say, him serious with what they talk about, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I remember saying, no. At the second term for him, you know, and the first time I saw him did I go on, you know. Pitney did I get locked up all the grab from parents, you know, man.
Remember.
So I saw him did I do it now first, so him just a go on. Let me tell you something again, you know. Mix up boss. You see the people them who go at Trump rally? You hear me?
Yeah, man.
The people them who go and rally right now, all of them deaf. None of them not go with no ears. Because the man tell them what he go do when he win. I'm not saying hide it. He tell them. And then everything what he do, he tell them what will happen. The world here and the people them voting him back. The people them with the ball right now, you know. And the farmer them, you know. And no farmer the ball right now can't get them grape to pick, can't get them orange to pick, can't get them coffee milk, because them people, them white kids here will graduate from college or university and come on road. Them don't want them to work there.
Wow.
You think none of them want to go milk no cow and go pick no grape?
True.
No, man.
And them and you look at Venezuela and them.
Yes, man. That them they do them the type of work, man.
Mm-hmm.
So when them the people are gone,
Mm-hmm.
what go happen?
The
economy go collapse.
Economy go collapse. People are
But this
people
start-
go want food and can't get it. Have a pint, man. True.
Yeah, man, people talk cry. The people talk cry now. The farmer them talk cry. The restaurant people them talk. You see the one when they cry, you see them have one chump hat. See them vote for Mr. Trump and all this happen to them. Come here, listen. Hey, me listen everything where they go on. Sometimes I say I don't want to listen no more. Because all the people them who have like them, what you call it now, like them are citizens, and have them family where run to come to them over here. Them vote to Trump. And then see them picnic, they go home. But as me say, you can't in another man country and turn your back against you where you're born and grow.
True. I know for them do that.
Can't do that.
Jamaica.
Me never say me done with Jamaica. From the day me come over here, all my mind is Jamaica. All my mind is Jamaica. That's why me have a nice 2-floor house down there.
Right.
Well furniture.
I'm proud of you. You how much, uncle?
But I'm 55, you know.
55, and you have a house up here. So you're good, man. If you come back here, you have a nice, you can sit down on your balcony, watch your Netflix.
I want you, man, a 3 or 4 veranda for my house, you know, man.
Yeah, man, you're alright, man.
Yes, man. Me good man, and like as me say, me have a little change on the too.
Right, see that? So you worry about, man.
Me not worry like as me say, me did the plan
When you
fee.
come off iPhone,
Mm-hmm.
go on the website and look on the cheapest plane ticket. And come on. Right, I'm right.
Me rate you, me boss.
Come on, yeah.
Me rate you. That's a, hey, me listen your thing, you know, man. No, but if you say me not listen your thing, you know, man. Me listen your thing,
But come on, your yard, man. You're not in a desert or island and all them something there. Yeah,
Missy
send
said-
man to go buy food for 3 weeks. Come on. You can't live something.
Missy say, I'm here to tell you, say no. Me bed, when me I don't never lay down pan, me TV never plug in, me fridge, me stove, me whatnot, me this, me that. The only thing I'm having in my house, you know, is a washing machine.
That's cheap, man. You can't get that feeling in the thing.
Me have everything in my nice house, man. If you want me to send you, me can send you a picture of my house where you're looking at me. Yes, man.
You could have called, because I just do an interview with our next deportee, you know. So I just get
Yeah, man, me did hear you, you know.
And film stories, him come back, then deport him unlawfully, he never have no house or nothing. Inside just
You know, say-
handcuff him and send him. You know? So
Right now, Mr.
all the money then when you have over there, send them come down and line up and by weekend, I want to call and you tell me, say, you know, me there at Jamaica mix up.
Well, as me say, me get
you know?
Yeah, man, as me say, me get a link to go Thailand. I get like 30,000 US a month.
Alright, here what you do. Try and send there. Try go Thailand, and if you not get through, I'll straight to Jamaica, you go. So you not lose.
Yes, and then it come like you read me. That a plan that me have, my virgin. That a plan that me have. That a plan that me have. Cause right now me come a yard, man. I hope people want to see me. Cause you know what? If me come a yard and never have that, I can eat about 20 or 30 or 40 people house and just go care food come give me. You know why?
I believe you. Cause you treat them good.
Hey, Ali B, hey, me send money at Jamaica. Me have a virgin down there. Me say, yo, carry this go give that man the 10 see me. Carry that around this go give that man the 10 see me. Carry that this go give that virgin the 10 see me. Woman they call me, yo, me shop broke down, you know. Can't give me a start. Yo, give me a money, make me do a thing and give you back the money, you know. I pay them there, and me they send in a big boss and them now give me back nothing, you know. And me just say, cool, man. Me buy it. Me have a friend down there, you know. She said she want to raise some pig and me buy her 6 pig. For me and her, you know. And then come big and she sell them and call me and ask me, say, you know, so me sell them, what we do with the money? I say, keep the money, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man, me tell her to keep the money, man. And yes, see them and her talk. And he say, yo, I should come home, man, you know, I know I'm proud. Yo, me never did have a house down there. I want to go sleep in anybody's house. Do you want me to treat them? But me couldn't treat people so I don't have a house, you know what I mean?
True.
That's the first thing I look on. When I come to America here. The first thing I look on. I want board house, I did that one room board house, I did that. And I say, what? Me buy all my son a nice car and he mash it up, you know?
And you know,
Yeah,
so
man,
anybody else if I'm foreign now, come back in the community, first thing them ask how deep you get.
Yeah, me know that. But look here, me go be one of the proud, whether deep or sip, me go be one of the proud one when no care. Like, as me say, me never over here finish my local life over here because look here. Me a man, my house are upstairs and my room when me say me go stay in upstairs there, me no want nobody hold my hand carry me up there. You know the amount of people who left America come to Jamaica, come build up house, and not sleep night for 1 week, them dead.
True.
Because them kill out themselves up here. To build the house down there. Virgin, me not go down there in time, me they walk on it. If me go live so long. Me want go down there and run up my step to go up on my house. To go up in my room. Me no want nobody after they lead me go up there. So it's that thing when me did plan for a long time without. This man I did want send me home. I don't go wait for him to send me home. I just certain things we did wait until to finish up here. Long time. Me even tell my mother from before this man I say, hey, me soon come in, you know, me soon come in. Because me now have a young baby down there.
Right.
So me I feel this boy, me I kill up myself if I suffer if you go down there, man. Go down there. Me's a man where, like, as me say, me not go nowhere. As you reach 7 o'clock, me go on my bed. So me have all of my things, my TV, my music. To listen, if I want to listen to music, I want to watch 2 movies. I want to play 2 domino up on my veranda. You know what I mean? Sit down and my virgin couple of my good friends, because I don't keep any friend. Cause, you know what I mean? So they want to come sit down and they want to have a drink. At 25 years, I don't drink or smoke. So if they want to come, they come sit down and we reason as it go. Because I know Jamaica run. You will dead. If you know what I mean? Like you go certain place, because I don't come down the feet up and down. No dance nor nothing. Anyway, I go to church, because I'm a man love God in my youth, I tell you the truth. Because when I say God put me through up here, man, nobody else could do that. Mix up, boss, you know, so sometimes 1 month, I don't see human being. I think God choke me up, man.
So here I go on, guys. Only thinking for doing, if you pack up and come home, I go and tough it out. Man, so I cheat now in the guy road. Can you imagine? Boy, it's rough. I talked to one of my friends today and say I have some friend where right now I have to send them money because they don't want to come out of them apartment. When they're in a basement, they XYZ and I go and watch where I go on. But it's rough. It's rough. But, you know, it is what it is. We have to be strong and pull through. You know? Enough people never know so Trump did come back with so much revenge. Oh, hold on. I have something to share with you now. One of my subscribers tell me, say, a Latino him a target. Him not target black people, so Jamaica not to worry like that. In somebody not say directly, but him must say something like that. But let me come hear for myself and make me know what I think about the comment before I put on the next person. I could listen.
MIXUP boss, yeah man, what's up? It's your boy Delano Worldstar. Just wanted to point out something to you and your viewers. Them, you just have to remember, Donald Trump. He has a golden age promise that he gives all Americans, and the only reason that he's doing the deportation is because the golden age begins now, like he said. He wants to give $10,000 to all Americans, help them with poverty. He doesn't want like homeless on the street. I think he's working on something with free medical. Um, he's gonna some taxes you wouldn't even have to pay later on because of the tariffs that help the citizens, and he's gonna be doing a lot for the American citizens. And he's basically trying to get rid of all the people that's not gonna get this reward. That's what he's basically saying. So um, there's a lot of people that there's a lot of changes that's going to be happening, and he's including that because of the golden age that's just started. Yeah, man, big up.
Let me know what you think about the comment there, guys. And agree with that person here, or him not have a clue what I'm talking say. Just need public opinion about that comment there. Oh God, I want to put it in a comment. Anyway, come over on to the next audio.
Yes, mix up, boss. Hi. May I listen to your show? May I tell us, I don't know where you get them people where you call in, but you get some people where you call in where me have to sit down and think. They're very, very, very smart. Them come with some points where me have to stop and really observe what them I say. Me love it. I may I tell them, man, it make me really have to sit at myself and observe. The two particular person I'm talking about is the lady we call and talk about people where always talk about how bad America is and Canada and those sorts of country, and it's just they're just work on bills, and now that they're getting deported, people sad and upset. And why, if I mean America or Canada or these countries are so bad, why you don't want to get deported? You should be happy. To be honest, I'm 100% agree with her. 100%, like really, really, and it's so true. Because we as Jamaica, we're not honest to ourselves. We're not. We don't. We're not honest in the fact that we know that economically Jamaica hard. It's really tough. And everyone that come at these countries then come for the opportunity and to make better themselves. And in spite of it being difficult, or you have bills or whatever, you can pay your bills, you can send a money go take care of your grandmother or take care of your mother or take care of your whole father, pay a medical bill, buy your sister or your brother some food or whatever. It Because you come to this country, it make things like that possible. Where when you're there, Jamaica, it's really every man for themselves because how tough it is, and the Jamaican government kind of set it that way too, because a lot of people where travel to the diaspora would want to send back some stuff, do send back vehicle for help out some weed whacker, some a lot of stuff, but the duties when I'm a charge on these things is so high till people just don't even bother. Yeah? The next thing is this, and I think I've mentioned it before. When people they are foreign and send money come back to Jamaica, it helped Jamaica in such a way that even in the pandemic, is remittance, like people sending back money, is what keep Jamaica afloat through that time. So people getting deported is a bad outlook on Jamaica itself, wherein the remittance are got cut. Because most of them people that come back, them and say, oh, yeah, send them back. They never used to do this. I never, some of them. But a lot of these people that get deported used to send back money, come help somebody or give somebody something or whatever. So that's going to be a big blow to Jamaica. And them people are going to come back to Jamaica, right? And I go without nothing. And I going to be a burden to the system again. You understand? And some of them used to a certain lifestyle wherein when they come back, it's hard for them to adjust, and most of them are go engage in crime. Right? So yeah, that's the reality. So when people at Jamaica say send back everybody with green card, blue card, black card, that's a stupid, ignorant mindset, because even them in Jamaica are gonna be affected by these people coming back to the country with nothing. Yeah. The young lady that talk about the two contrasts of you living in America and you living in Jamaica. And some people only know two different lifestyles, living in America and living in Jamaica. Some people love Jamaica because they don't have no responsibility. Jamaica nice and stuff like that. I agree with her 100% too. That's why I tell you that these people are very intellectual, and they are looking at this whole situation in the right perspective, wherein we as Jamaica should be looking at it. Yeah? People getting deported back to Jamaica, it's bad for Jamaica overall. Bad for Jamaica in every sense, right? The way Trump is doing it also, because guess what? She correct, every country have them borders and then rules, immigration rules, and they can't just allow people to just come in and just do what they feel like, or just come in where they not even have any control over how them come and how they regulate how they come in. Because what you have to understand again too, when people start to come in your country, remember you have to house these people. So some of the time housing price also skyrocket. Rent skyrocket. Your health sector start get burdened. So there's a lot of things need to be considered in an immigration perspective. However, me still not like how Trump do it. As what the girl say, him do it from a standpoint where he must say, you guys, some of the third world countries, for stay there, so we better than you. You're an American. When I eat dog, when I eat cat, and a bag of things. You understand? I feel like this second term, him coming in, he might do it through revenge. Yeah? So them, the way I do it is what I don't like. Right? But if you look on the broader picture, look on everything, everything will happen, my heart goes out to some people, because some people really got in country there and waste their time. Some people. But the majority of Jamaicans got to make better for themselves. Really I try. Then try to put things in place. Some again even get robbed by their own Jamaica when they try to send back money to the country to build something for themselves. So then they're between a rock and a hard place. Yeah, try send back money. That's if anything happen, you come back, you have something. Look upon the amount of people that send back money to Jamaica, and when they come back, there's nothing for them. Me hear you cover it by your show numerous of times. You understand? So you can't, you have a problem living in the country illegal, but you're still frightened to send back things to Jamaica. And the same Jamaican them, a slight and I say, yeah, you never remember Jamaica, you have to build back a Jamaica or whatever. And they are the ones who are rebel. Look on the lady where build a nice house back at Jamaica, big house, and then go rape her and kill her. It's hard because once you come out of the country and live in our foreign countries, come like it's a big problem because you don't know what to do. You don't know if you go back, because once you start go back, people expect say you're supposed to give them, then get entitled. You understand? And it's just rough. You can't, if you travel back home, you can't just go sit down on the corner and enjoy yourself like you used to. You can't just go sit down on the corner and yeah, some man play some domino and run a little joke. Everybody wants you to go buy a crate of liquor, put a foot and all of them something. It's not easy. It's not. You understand? So once you travel outside the country, that's what people expect. Right? And then the next thing is, when we got this foreign country, we should invest back in our own country. That's a yard, that's where we come from. Right? That's our home. We are Jamaican, then can't kick you out of Jamaica, then can't kick you out of foreign, can't kick you out of Jamaica. So the two, when I listen to them two ladies there, I agree with both of them. And it's just looking upon the situation on both sides and on different perspectives. And both of them right. So that are my 2 cents. If you want to put it out, you can. I appreciate you. I appreciate the platform. Big up yourself. Respect.
I want to tell my brother and sister them over America, I want to stay safe. And next week, I'm going to be one next week of Fully Drama. I don't know if next week I cover no more of them story here, but I want to stay safe. And then anybody want to contact me, 876-277-3254. I'm here. Share your story. Whether you get the port and the verge, etc., just let me know. All right? Big up on yourself. I'm out.